This is one of the pasta recipe you never knew existed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some pasta. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can already see, I'm cutting my carrot, after which I'll cut the green beans. After that, I diced my onions. It takes me about 35 minutes to make this pasta, so I prefer getting everything ready. And also when you're cooking, it's best to have everything you need right in front of you. After prepping my vegetables, I'll cut the meat into smaller pieces. So now I have everything I need. I have my tomato sauce, my beef, the onions, and my vegetables. I added some soy sauce in the beef. Boil your water, add some salt and some drops of oil. The oil helps prevent the pasta from foaming and making a mess. Leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes and then you sieve it out. After that, you heat some oil. After frying your beef, you take it out. Yes, guys, can you see that? It tastes like steak, guys. Add your onions, fry it for a minute, and you pour in your tomato. Allow the tomato paste to dry very well. When I mean dry, like allow it to dry like it's, pizza sauce. After that, you add your spices. After adding the spices, you add your meat. I did add some bay leaf. Then you stir it for a while and add your vegetables. Add your pasta under medium heat. Just gently stir it for a while and then you turn off the heat. If you know me personally, you know that I love to eat pasta. Guys, my ring light is not doing justice to this food because it looks so good. I had to just turn it off. It was making the pasta look like white-ish. My Tasters Association is already waiting, so I had to serve it very fast before they'll come and take it out of the pot. That's it, guys. I hope you try this recipe at home. You can use chicken if you don't want beef. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.